the last class we have discussed about in the last video we have discussed about the working of an refrigeration cycle. So in this video we are going to discuss about the vapor compression refrigeration cycle. Okay, vapor compression, there are two types of cycles. One is systems, that is vapor compression refrigeration system, and vapor absorption refrigeration systems. So here we are going to discuss about the vapor compression refrigeration system. So here we have discussed already the same components are here. One is compressor, evaporator, and then expansion valve, and then there is a receiver, and then there is a condenser, and you can see some pressure gauges are available to know the working pressure. So these are the components. Okay. So here now let us see how this working takes place. Here there is a compressor. Okay. So now we can start from here. Okay. From the low pressure side, we can start from A. Okay. So as it passes through this expansion valve here, low pressure liquid, okay, is coming here, evaporator. So from here it is coming here. So when the liquid is entering here, it is a low pressure side. Okay. So it is low pressure. When it is going to the compressor, what happens is the pressure is increased. So the right hand side is the high pressure side, because due to the compression process the pressure is increased. So this high pressure comes here to the condenser. Okay, coming to the condenser. So here what happens is this high pressure vapor, okay, the heat is continuously rejected and becomes as an high pressure liquid. Okay, in condensation process what we have discussed, heat is rejected outside. So when the heat is rejected outside, what happens is this high pressure vapor is converted into high pressure liquid. Okay, so this liquid is stored in the receiver. This liquid is stored in the receiver to have a constant supply. Okay, now this high pressure liquid comes to the expansion valve and then refrigeration control valve. Okay, what happens in the expansion valve is this high pressure liquid is reduced into low pressure liquid. The high pressure is reduced into low pressure. Okay, so this low pressure comes into the evaporator. So at the entrance of the evaporator, it comes in the liquid form, whereas it absorbs the heat and then it becomes low pressure vapor. Okay, and then it comes here. Okay, so this is the working of an vapor compression refrigeration cycle. Why we are doing this compression cycle is we are using a compressor to run this cycle. Okay. Now I want to ask you some questions. Okay. So why these curves are available in this evaporator? To observe more amount of heat. So what happens there? Why the design is like that? Very good. It takes more time. We are giving time to flow. The liquid is flowing through this evaporator, so the time to contact is given more. As the time is increased, what happens? Heat transfer rate is increased. Okay. Same way here also, heat rejected also takes place. So in the real time, can you tell me where heat is rejected? Any idea? In the real time, anywhere? Have you seen? Other than the refrigeration or any component where heat is rejected? If you take the IC engines, radiator what happens? The hot liquid water flows inside. Okay, so there what happens? Air comes and then it takes away the heat. The same process is done here. Because here it with the high heat. We have already discussed that heat flows from a hot body to cold body without any work. Without any work, heat flows from a hot body to cold body. Here this is a hot body. Air is a cold body. So when both get contact, what happens? Heat passes to the hot body to cold body. Okay. So this is the simple working of an vapor compression refrigeration system. Okay, thank you.